Hey everybody, new project today. Today we're working on driveway. As you can see, this is really rough. I don't know if the camera will pick up, there's a lot of humps and pretty washed out. There's another one right in there. Absolutely horrible in the truck. So what we're going to do, oh look, a chicken come to help. Yeah, good luck. But anyway, we're going to take this box blade today and we're going to fix this, or at least get it better, where it don't bounce you and feel like a bobblehead in the truck coming home. So what we'll do, I'll get on it and kind of take the camera with me and show everybody how this works for the ones that don't know or never seen it. But it basically, it's got a big scoop at the back of it and it just kind of scrapes up the loose gravel and puts it side to side and kind of levels as it goes. So I'll probably have to adjust it too a little bit because I just put it on this tractor, just third arm. So we'll get on and I'll show you how it works, and I'll make a pass and kind of show and explain, and then I'll set the camera up and make a pass and we'll see how much different it looks. So I'll get on the tractor and we'll get started. Crawl right up here and away we go. See what happens. The chicken will move. Watch out, chicken. Hey, my chicken ain't chicken. Better move. Bird brain, literally. Alright, anyway, put this down, and there we go. Very simple. Okay. Not quite aggressive enough. I'm going to tilt it where it'll cut more of that gravel and peg it and bring it. So as you can see, it pretty well just cuts it with this blade, and then what it does, it just travels off the high spot in the middle or wherever and goes to the low spots and fills as it goes. So I'll get this adjusted and get everything kind of set, and then when I come back, I'll set the camera up, make a pass or two, and then when we get done, I'll show you what it looks like. So I'll turn the camera off, get this done, see you in a bit. Alright everybody, made a pass, got it set pretty well where I want it. I might have to adjust it again, but I know someone's going to say, well, what good is that going to do with the water? Well, it won't make it perfectly level right now, but it will knock the big humps out to where at least when you come over it in the truck, you know you ain't off-roading four-wheel driving pretty much to get on. So I'll make a better video of this when there isn't such a big giant mud hole out here. And but for now, this will just give you kind of a rough idea. But when we get done with all this, I'll set the camera up right there on the tripod, make the pass down and back, and then kind of show you that, and then we'll just show you the end product. But like I said, main thing I'm trying to do is just knock the big major high humps down and kind of semi sort of level this for now. This is just kind of a band-aid on it, so to speak, but make it quite a bit smoother riding. And I'm sick of playing bobblehead to get down the driveway. So hang on, I'll set the camera up and we'll get started again. Hey everybody, we're back and done for today. So, ta-da! Camera probably won't do nothing no justice here, but got it a lot flatter. Got the humps knocked out, the real bad ones. Gonna have to haul some gravel in to fill the deep holes. So, but it is way better than it was. Like I said, this just kind of patching to get by for a while. Them humps was so bad, just felt like a bobblehead doll every time you come home. You know, your truck, you just is a mess. So that kind of give you an idea of what a box blade is, how they work, how to use one. Like I said, you just drop them down and drag them and set it where it cuts. So, but pretty happy with this. This is way smoother than it was. So even though it probably don't look like it on camera, it's way better. So I guess that's it for this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.